Ambientika Smart is here, the innovative ventilation unit with intelligent control. Measured values taken from the 4 integrated sensors are compared online using the nearest weather station's database. If requested, the ventilation system decides automatically how best to ventilate. The temperature sensor compares the room temperature with the data from the weather station and automatically activates summer mode to cool the room temperature at night. It can be controlled via the app or the remote control. It's very simple actually. Download the Ambientika app for free from the Play or App Store. Go to the system settings on the mobile device and confirm that the app is allowed to access the ventilation units and the unit's location. Give your house a name. Your ventilation unit is now visible in the app. Click on it to pair it up. You'll hear an acoustic signal. A white LED will flash on the unit. Select an automatic configuration or create ventilation zones manually. The app now shows temperatures, humidity, air quality, and filter status. Living space ventilation from Südwind takes things up a gear, ensuring optimum air quality in the living space.